I'm here today to talk to you about these Future Plus X glass gems that I received. I am working on a project and I needed gems of different colors, and this company had just exactly what I needed. So first off, I want to show you how they come. They come in an envelope like this, and they are airtight into this package like this, and then once you cut it open, it falls into place. It looks a little odd when they come in the mail and you're thinking, well, I ordered like a clump, and thinking that it's coming like that. So I just wanted to make sure you understood that. But I got them in red, and they are flat on the one side, and then the bubble type on the other side. But I have them in red and in clear, as well as this royal blue. Now they come in several different colors. One is even a mixture of all different colors to come together. So you could use these in a vase, or maybe even in your fish bowl. There's a lot of projects you can use with this. I'm using this as a craft project where I am gluing them onto a flower pot, and I'm making like a mosaic type of flower pot. These are just perfect for what I need, and this is about 100, and all of them came, none of them were broken, which is really important when you are trying to do a project and you are using a calculated amount. So these will work just perfectly for what my craft project entails, and that's just my honest opinion.